vegan or dry January? Well, vegan's got some credibility to it. What a pass. Who plays that pass to Salah there? Lovely finish by Salah. I mean, look at that for a finish. Right on his left foot as well. Keeper's got to open him. Oh, you're not saving that. Look at the curl on that. Lovely goal. Who played the pass? That pass was incredible into Salah. The finish was bloody good as well. Very good finish by Salah. Curtis Jones with the pass. There you go.
Corner to Leverkusen. More Salah, running down the wing. 1-0, yeah.
We all certainly come to the service and it's just like, yeah, that sounds about right. Or there's going to be 1-0. Yes, it is. After doing absolutely cool for 34 minutes, first shot on target on the counter attack. The defence, the high line in Lille is mental, by the way, makes Tottenham look good. And Salah runs through 1-0. Literally no defence. The only defender that's held back, that was a back close enough back to him, not getting nowhere near him, didn't have the pace to get back.
Oh my God. You won't believe it. You know what I said about Lille not scoring? They've just bloody scored. 1-1. Unbelievable. 10-man Lille. 1-1. What's going on? I mean, don't you just love football, eh? Liverpool, brilliant defence. Up against 10 men. And there's an equaliser. And it is that guy, isn't it? It's Jonathan David. I'm just looking at it back. Cross comes in, shot blocked, and there he is. To tap it in. Striker's goal, really.
It is haram. Have Lille actually equalised with 10 men? Are you on a wind-up? Was it a good goal? Yeah, your mouth's been mate, I can't lie.
Until the subway, bloody hell. But either way, what would be... Oh, no. Out of nowhere. Literally out of nowhere, the game's been that dead. But Liverpool have dominated possession and all that. This is the first, I think the first attack they've had all game. And Lille have equalised. Ball into the box, initial shot was blocked, and it fell to Jonathan David at the looks of it, and he just he stroked it into basically an empty net, really. This will be interesting as Enzo's about to come on as well.
Oh, Liverpool have just scored as well. Why am I missing goals? It's a bloody good goal as well, isn't it? Was it a good goal? Harvey Elliott. 2-1. I won't jinx again, Ronnie. There's no way Lille are going to score again with 10 men. Goldbridge hasn't seen a single goal. I've been very unlucky watching one game and then another.
Liverpool scored, have they? Harvey Elliott, yeah? Oh my days, look at the state of that goal, man. I've just seen that. What the have I just seen? What have I just seen, by the way?
But only Arsenal had a score from set pieces. Anyone else is not allowed, surely. Harvey Elliott with a goal, by the way. Liverpool. Oh shit! See you next Tuesdays.